Hello guys, today I will show you how to make unlimited coins. Subway Surf. First thing, you go to Google and then you copy Subway Surf Paris and then you click download Subway Surf Paris APK Droid apps. You click on it. Maybe because the internet is slow. Yes. And then you click in download Subway Surf Paris APK mod 1.37.0 mod APK. Click on it and then click download now. And then when it finishes downloading, I will show you now. Here it is. When it finishes downloading, you will see.
It will take a lot of time.
Yes, it take maybe. How is your storage?
But I don't have enough storage to download. بالعافية لما
You just wait. I will show you now. If it doesn't come to you, just you go to. I will show you now. I'm waiting. I was just repeated. Now it will come, I think. What is it? Now it finish. Finish.
أنا ماليش دعوة.
حبيبي
بعرف صار لي من زمان.
لا طب نروح انا وياك ماشي، ايش رايك؟
لا
يلا.
ليش يعني بدكم توفروا؟
ليش بدي بطل؟ كيف ليه؟ من وين المصاري كثير؟
أنا كل مرة ببطل معي.
Now you go to my files. My file.
طب ما انت ابدا بالاكل.
دي شب.
بلاش.
And you will see here Paris
زي هذيك المرة.
and you download it.
يا ماما جيب لكم حاجة ولا لا؟
Maybe for me it will not come because the storage. Yes, but you will see now. installing.
يعني خاطر امشي انا وياك نروح
Now it's installed.
ولا خليهم هم يروحوا خليها تجيب لك بيورو ونص يعني. او بعطيك اياهم الك
And then I will show you. خلاص وقت صوتكم.
كان كل يوم